Already started, is it? I was too engrossed checking out the new Harrier Camo edition. Well, hi friends, welcome to yet another episode of Welcome to My Life Wednesday. So today we will look into the life of one of our sales managers, Mr. Yunus. So let's begin. So today we have Mr. Yunus with us, who is the sales manager at Adishakti. So please, Mr. Yunus, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon. Myself, Muhammad Yunus, working in Adishakti as a sales manager. So, about my experiences in Tata Motors, I want to share something.
Okay.
See, I have almost 10 years experience in Tata Motors.
Okay.
From the day when Tata Motors came up with the yellow board segments and they came up step in white board segments and till date, the premium cars which is running now. See, I actually enjoy the attending customers. You know, my jobs, I started career from customer advisor till sales manager. I know the ground level till the top level, what it happens and about the experience of the customers. How each customer will be in different on his way, and the knowledge of the customer and our knowledge. Everything we gain through the sales. Sales always, we can learn a lot of things. It's about knowledge. Okay. So I enjoy selling things like our premium products which is there right now. See, when yellow board segment was there, since there to here, it was a long journey which I really enjoyed. Coming to work, really I get, I enjoy the work actually.
But I think right now, more than you doing the selling, you must be behind the other sales guys to get the numbers.
Exactly. See, what my experience in so long, I'll be sharing to my customer advisors, my team leaders. So I came from CA, so I teach them how to interact with customers, how to make them happy, how to sell the products in such a way that every customer has to feel that they are in the family. So this is how I teach to my team.
Nice.
My daily routine work will be starting from the morning meetings with the team leaders. The team leaders will educate to the CAs and sitting and conversation about what happened yesterday, for the whole day, the work what it has happened. We'll enjoy, everybody, teammates, will enjoy the quality of work, like what was the complaints about, what are the customers want and what are the things to be improved. This all management systems will work and really we enjoy this.
That's nice. And also you make sure that the CRM and whatever system it is, that the executives are updating on a timely basis.
Yes. The daily, the routine work of the CA starts from entering the green forms, that is the inquiry form in the system. In the system, My Lead app has come, which is a new technology introduced by Tata Motors. It's a hassle-free work, you know. From their mobile, they can operate using the password and ID. They can enter the green forms, test drives, next follow-up dates, and what are the appointments, and the bookings entry can be done there.
Okay.
And the next follow-ups will be done daily basis.
Okay. So just behind you, I see this Employee of the Month thing. So is that some initiative which you all have been doing?
Definitely. See, this makes improvement for the individual CAs. You know, behind there are top performers of the month. Actually, who performs well in all the parameters, like who is the best, the knowledgeable CA, who has very good skills, who has very good more numbers to sell each month, retailing the numbers, and also SSI score, that is sales satisfaction index, and also with the sale of accessories, with the sale of used car, with the AMC, warranty, all value added services. Everything, who will be the top performer, they'll be getting an pricing also and a check from our team management stating that he is a top performer, and he'll get a certificate stating that he is a top performer for the so and so.
Great. So this must be a very competitive environment for them to do better and have their photo for that particular
Yes,
work.
after seeing this, individuals will get eager to do their work better.
Yes.
You know, seeing daily here, all team will be coming to me daily basis. So definitely they'll be seeing this. They'll think that yes, obviously I have to do better. So after seeing this, my photo should be there next to.
So it's good to see the management as well is supporting these kind of initiatives and.
Yes. Actually, I want to tell about management. Management has very good SOPs. Their own SOPs from Adi Shakti Cars. They are introducing to the teammates. They have very well designed CA incentives part, and who is doing well, he will be appreciated and brought in this with the photos. Appreciation is very good from the Adi Shakti Cars.
That's great. I mean, that's what is required to keep a salesperson motivated as
exactly. See, Tata Motor is giving the premium cars. Adi Shakti is taking care for their employees to work in their organization with better facilities. Like you can see, we have very good big showroom in the place where we are here, and we are enjoying really. We enjoy the facilities what given by Adi Shakti Cars and premium cars given by Tata Motors, and all premium customers are walking in. In one shot, I can tell they have changed the game in the market. Now we have come down from 6th position to 3rd position. Definitely, very shortly we will be coming up number 1. We are planning for
nice.
that.
That's nice. So apart from your love for sales and love for selling, what is your main motivation to come to work to Adi Shakti every single day?
Every single day I'll be thinking, now next who is this day's customer who comes and give me knowledge about things across the world. So I'll be happy to come here because I have very good premium cars to sell. So I'll be happy to talk to the customer. I enjoy talking to the customer and briefing them, and also giving the right knowledge to the customers about the product.
Which is very important.
Very important.
That's true. So thank you, Mr. Yunus, for your time. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Yeah, definitely. If you give me a chance, I'll be continuously speaking because I love speaking to customers as well as
That's great. Have a nice day with you.
Thank you. Thanks.
So friends, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Welcome to My Life Wednesday, where we had Mr. Yunus, the sales manager, sharing so enthusiastically about his work and why he loves doing what he does. So on this note, for an organization, it's all about treating your employees right. So the way you treat your employees is the way they would treat your customers. So if you like this video, kindly follow our pages on Facebook and Instagram, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.